Whispers from the Brighter World. Beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Saturday, June 19th, 1999, 8 am. You are a sincere and faithful daughter. Your love is disinterested. Such is not the case for all those who follow the Master faithfully. Some always hope for favors or gestures of gratitude, which flatter their ego. There is everything, and it takes all sorts to make a world that avoids monotony in the human species. If you had the possibility of observing closely the other living species, you would find the same. You would be surprised by what occurs. It is sometimes amazing, not only among animals, but also in the vegetable and mineral kingdoms, in other forms of manifestation. So that is not specific to humans. Are they more sincere? Those who follow the Master with eagerness and who will stop at nothing to see him? Not necessarily. They sometimes sacrifice a lot of things for that, and they display so much rudeness. It is a force that pushes them to act like that. It is necessary to let these various ways of doing be expressed. Others stand aloof and love in silence, without exteriorization of any kind. They are touching in their fervor and their humility. Each one of you expresses yourself your own way. We who see the hearts, the depth of them, we often discover pure wonders in very discreet beings. Monotony does not exist among humans. The diversity of personalities is quite astounding sometimes. The Creator of all things had populated this earth as He saw fit. It's up to us to adapt ourselves to that. Babuji. Saturday, June 19th, 1999, 10 am. In the years to come, big countries will discover the benefits of Sahaj Marg. It is a simple and so effective method of spiritual training. It is not easy for you to assess your progress. Some feel it and others don't. They do not know where they stand, and that worries them. The medium says, Babuji, you said to me one day that the objective is not to feel but to be. Yes, it is true. The inner being has its own mysteries, which are not necessarily perceptible in the way you would wish to perceive them. If you observe yourself well, the heartfelt feeling is different. The inner joy sometimes is perceptible. What happens during meditations and sittings is sometimes very strong. These movements are meaningful. If your progress is not measurable the way you would like it to be, do not doubt you are advancing. Bear well in mind this truth. Listen more to the inner master. Be more closely united with him. He will inform you. Otherwise, the whispers of your inner self will remain inaudible if you let yourselves be overcome by your senses. Says each moment of peace to withdraw yourself inside and thus obtain with some practice the information you wish to have. Your spiritual heart will not remain deaf to your requests. You do not really submit enough requests to it. This is the reason for what some consider as a lack of results. They are discouraged, believing that they are not making progress. Babuji.